Hey folks, hello and welcome. My name's Julian. This is Just Facts Reviews, and in this video today, I will be covering how to add clickable links to YouTube channel art. Okay, so what that's going to do for you is what you can see right here on your screen. I've got my Just Facts Reviews channel art up here so you can see it, and I have a link to Facebook as well as a link to YouTube. In this case, I've used a link to my YouTube subscription. So there'll be a link to my YouTube subscription button. I'm going to be showing you how you can get there to add those links in for your own thing. I believe you're allowed to have up to 5 links. So let's get started. Okay. What you're going to want to do first is go up here to this little logo, your icon here for your YouTube channel. Click on that. Okay. I'm going to show you from wherever you just may happen to be. And you're going to go over to your channel. Once on your channel, you're going to go down to Customize Channel. And we're going to wait a quick second here for this to kind of just catch up to it. All right. Computer's just a little bit slow at the moment. All right. So now once we're on channel customization, you'll notice there are 3 tabs: layout, branding, and basic info. You're going to want to click on basic info and scroll down through the basic info information. You notice there's a channel URL here as well as a link section. So as you can see, before I had a link to Facebook, and like I said before, a YouTube subscribe button for my channel. If you look at these 2 little tabs here in front of each link, I believe you're allowed to actually move these, and it'll change the order within the order of them within your or on your YouTube channel art. And below that, you'll see that you're able to add a link. And I believe at the current moment, you're allowed to have up to 5 links for your channel. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to add a link, and I'm going to show you how easy this is to get done. I'm going to do a link for Twitter, and I'm going to go ahead and add in the channel URL for my channel, Just Facts Reviews for my Twitter channel, and then I'm going to hit publish. And once I hit publish, we're going to go over to the channel and see if this has now been updated. So you should see 2 things, right? We should see that Facebook has now been moved to the 2nd slot and YouTube is in the 1st slot. And in the last position on the page, there will be a link button for Twitter. Okay, I'm just going to click a couple of them so you can see that, like I said, YouTube, Facebook, and now Twitter. I'm going to click the Twitter button so that you can see that it is now a clickable link within your YouTube channel art. And that's going to take me right to my Just Facts Reviews Twitter page. Okay, so it takes you, like I said, it's taking a minute to load still, but Just Facts Reviews Twitter, and I'm going to back out of that now. As you can see, it went there. It's going to take us back to our channel art, and just to show you another one, I will click on the Facebook button, and you'll see that as well will take you to my Facebook page. Now, there's a couple things that this can be used for, and that as you can see, this is an example. I just have a couple buttons up there to just show you what it does. But what you may want to use this for is things like, let's say, for instance, you have a Facebook page, or a group, and you want to bring people directly into your group, and your banner can even advertise your group. You can just click here on your banner and have people go and register right to be within your group, or you can have a link directly to a capture page and stuff like that to promote your business further. Okay, so just to go over quickly once again, I'm going to show you, we're already on the customized channel page, but I'm going to show you how to go from the beginning. We're going to go into your channel, and then you're going to go to Customize Channel. And once it goes through, and like I said, it's a little slow as it was before, we're going to be on the channel customization page, and we're going to see the 3 tabs. Okay. All right, like I said, channel customization. You have layout, branding and basic info, you're going to want to again click that basic info link, scroll down the page, and as you can see here, the links that I have added in: YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and I believe, like I said before, you can have up to 5 links per YouTube banner or YouTube channel art. And you would click here to add another link, okay? And so on and so forth until you filled up your 5 link spots, and make good use of that real estate within your YouTube channel. Because like I said before, you can use that to lead people directly to Facebook groups, to capture pages, maybe a sales page is something that you're promoting, and things such as that, or a special video that you want them to see first and foremost when they land on your channel art or your page. All right. So with that being said, I'd like to thank you so much for watching this video. My name is again Julian from Just Facts Reviews, and I would love it if you'd like and share and subscribe to this channel. And stay tuned, because I'm going to be doing a lot more videos like this, things that show you how to get more subscribers, how to increase the traffic flow within your videos and stuff like that, as well as helping those of you get to monetization. As you know, right now, this channel that I have started not too long ago is ready to apply for monetization. And I would like to be able to show you guys how to do the exact same things for your channel. All right. So until next time, peace, take care of yourself, and see you in the next video.